Interior view of the Aston Martin car factory. Iron sheets are being shaped to form the vehicle structure. After the sheets are cut, everything is checked using digital devices to ensure accurate measurements. Machines are welding the vehicle structure to give it a perfect shape. The structure of the vehicle is being developed under the supervision of both machines and humans. The vehicle structure is now complete.
A testament to precision engineering awaits its finish.
The car is now being painted. Machines are carefully applying color to the vehicle structure.
Gloss settling evenly across the hood.
Infrared levels stable. Finish approved.
After the final coat, the body shell moves into the temperature-controlled environment, essential for achieving that signature Aston Martin luster.
The painted structure is placed in a high-temperature chamber to ensure the best possible paint quality.
Here in the inspection zone, the
car has come out of the heating room, and engineers are checking the quality of the paint.
Shall proceed to assembly.
Surface consistency is flawless on the rear quarter.
Agreed. Moving to the hood now.
Now, the heart of the car, the engine, is being prepared. After each engine part is installed, digital devices are used to check whether the settings are correct.
Precision is paramount. Technicians meticulously install the camshafts and valve train components, ensuring flawless alignment. With the crankshaft and cylinder heads in place, the timing gears and chain are meticulously aligned, ensuring the engine's precise rhythm.
The heart of the V12 takes shape. Here, the timing chain is meticulously installed.
Oil pump secured.
Okay, pass me the front bracket.
Here you go.
The engine is now being wired. Fluids are being filled into the engine.
At the moment, the essential fluids are added. The golden engine oil, followed by the specialized...
Oil level verified, spot on the mark.
Gaskets look good, no seepage here.
Oil level confirmed optimal.
Coolant system clear. All seals verified on the tablet. Ready for sign-off.
Oil pressure is optimal. Rotation is perfectly smooth.
A successful cold test.
Pressure is building nicely in bank 2.
Yes, right on schedule. The new pump design is working.
The second part of the video is coming soon, so please subscribe to our channel to watch upcoming videos.